Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Klaiyi hair and they sent me over some Yaki hair. Now just to brag on this wig a bit, this one here is a 24-inch 7x5 by knots lace wig. She's pre-everything, which means she comes with pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline. She also has a pre-color addition to her, so you guys can see this beautiful ombre effect. Really nice and flawless, and it is so seamless. Definitely a great touch of color without going too far. Very much everyday safe, no makeup safe, mommy safe, PTA and soccer mom safe. All of the safes, work safe if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick and easy install. Today I did add baby hair, but you'll see in the first little step I didn't have any baby hair, and you'll see what it looks like melted with no baby hair if that is your jam. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little style in between. So if you want to see how we got the look and the vibes, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, heading to a meeting at my kids' school, so I have to go ahead and make sure I look presentable. I am a black mother to a young beautiful boy who goes to a maybe not so diverse school, and I have to make sure that he is represented, advocated for, and all of the things. So today I'm teaming up with Klaiyi hair. We're going Yaki straight because I just feel like it's so fitting, and I'm making a lot of noise. Let me relax. This one here is a 7x5 by knots lace wig, Brazilian hair, and it's 24 inches in length. I'm gonna remove all of the wrapping. As I mentioned, this is a Yaki straight, but it does have some color. You can see the beautiful ombre, and it ombres so seamlessly. Definitely high quality and professionally done. When you flip it over, you can see that curl, or the color goes up in the front a little bit higher right here to frame the face. This one here is a bust down middle part, but it's that good African texture, or at least it mimics it, right? So this one here is a pre-everything wig. It comes with that pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. As I mentioned, she is a closure wig, so she is going to fit glueless. Right here you can see we have the adjustable and removable elastic band. Take it out should you not like it. Keep it and adjust it should you want it. In the back we do have a larger comb. We do have the adjustable strap right here, and we also do have a drawstring. So let's go ahead and put her on, melt her down, tint the lace, and then we probably will come back after the meeting to snatch her up real nice. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. Again, I'm in a little bit of a crunch, so let's just go ahead and pull the lace back, bond it down, and blend it in really nicely. We're going to allow this to air dry. Also going to tint the lace, shade 15 in the parting from Ruby Kisses, and then shade 16 also from Ruby Kisses. I'm gonna do the mousse trick. Saturate the mousse around the top and along the hairline. Comb her out, and then I will be back in a jiffy so you guys can get the real deal snatch. Just like that, we're ready to go. Okay, love bugs, we are back from our meeting, and our point got across. We were heard. It is what it is for now, to be continued on that conversation, but this is what we are looking like. I came back, well, we went to the meeting at my kids' school, then we went to our other kids' school and picked her up, and then we came back, kind of tended to her for a little bit, and now I am back. So I ended up putting this on just because I didn't get my lace melted like I wanted, so I wanted to make sure I wasn't looking crazy in this principal's office. So let's just start from scratch like we haven't done anything. I'm going to take and flip her up. I still did for this dang I still forgot to grab a brush. I swear I have like 30,000 brushes, it feels like, and I can never find one. Y'all, I'm all over the place today. So we're going to take and pin it up, and we're going to drawstring it, because that is, I never did the drawstring or anything like that the first time. So you just pin it up, turn around. Okay, so you guys already know the deal with the drawstring. This is what the wig looks like, and it is a little bit loose when you pull it, so that's a good thing for my beauties who have a bigger head or a wider neck. This will fit you really good, but the thinner or smaller or more narrow that your head is, you can pull, and then you can grab this stopper and adjust the wig to be as tight as you need it. But don't forget, once you do get it as tight as you need it, you simply just lift and tuck the drawstring in so that it's not visible. Pull her down the way you want, and you can use that comb to secure it down. And you have a nice secured installed wig, especially paired with the adjustable band, especially paired with the adjustable strap. Like, all of the things work together. Even just the construction of the cap in general works together to make sure that your wig is on point. This is what she looks like down. I love the color on this one because it's Yaki straight, and you tend to not think of like color when it comes to Yaki straight, but sometimes you do want a little color. So this is just enough to give you a little bit of a difference, and then it's still like quality and professionally done, so it doesn't look like a DIY job out the kitchen. This is what the hair or the color and the texture look like from the back. Nice and full and long and luscious. Okay, love bugs, so we did majority of the things. Let's resume with snatching her down. I kind of want to do like some twisties or something right here for my style, but first let's just snatch her down really good. I'm gonna take a little bit of this just because you guys seen I did use a little bit of mousse, but I didn't use any heat with the mousse, and I feel like I just need a little something extra. I need to lay mine and snatch mine a little more. So I'm gonna take it heavy along the parting as long as the hairline. You can take a comb and like work it in. And then once you work it in, you take your electric hot comb and you dynamic duo it down. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and that definitely made a difference. Just that alone would have made me not put that headband on. I like it when the hairline and the parting and just the lace in general looks nice and flat and snatched. So we are here, and I feel like right here always there's like a little piece, little hump. I think it's the shape of my head or something, but I feel like I'm gonna retint the lace. But before I do that, I do want to open up the hairline a little bit, and you guys know I'm not one to pluck if I don't have to, so I like to open it up either with baby hair or edges, or sometimes I do edges and they turn into baby hair. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I just want a little bit more splat in the front. So let's make some edges, and then we will probably retint the lace, and then we will straighten the hair, and then we will pick a style to kind of bring it on home. And guess what I did? And guess what I did? Still forgot to get a brush. But she got some Jesus though. She definitely got a snack. Okay, now that I have snatched this wig and brought it together, you guys see me opened up the hairline a little bit without having to go in and pluck or customize anything. Also had a big Beccaria snack, and then we also straightened the hair out. Now I also did retint the lace, so there was a lot of also there. But let's go ahead and see what this one would look like with a little style added. So I have some bobby pins here. I'm gonna use probably just the black ones. The gold ones will be fun too, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna go black and save the gold for like a special occasion. I'm gonna pull out 2 for now, but I think I'm gonna need like 4. Let's just see what we come up with this style. Okay, love bug, this came out perfect. She ate. She ate. She ate. I love it. Now back to the rest of the video. Okay, so this is the packaging from Klaiyi Hair. We're gonna start off with the cute little bag. Now, might I add, if I can take a picture or have a picture of my daughter, she takes my other Klaiyi bag from a previous wig that I had from them as her dance snack bag. It's so funny because she doesn't want to take her lunch pail to dance, but she also will have so many snacks for the car ride, her water, her phone, and da-da-da-da. So we've turned one of these totes into her dance snack bag, and it's so funny because nobody knows what Klaiyi means as far as like the little kids go. They don't even realize she's using a wig storage bag, but that just shows the versatility of this bag. You can use it literally as a lunch bag or a snack bag or a toiletry bag, a travel bag, the catch-all bag in the car that when it's time to get out the car you can put everything in so you can be hands-free or hands minimal. But I love this bag nonetheless, and this one for sure will become very handy, trust and believe. And then inside the bag was the box. This is the box from Klaiyi, and I love this green. I don't know what shade. It's not forest, it's not emerald, or maybe it is emerald or somewhere in between, but I like it. And this is what is inside. They did give us a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape, which is great to bond your wig down. They gave us a pack of HD wig caps. We also got the Klaiyi melt belt, which is perfect for taking your lace to another level, getting it super duper flat, and you always will need this for your lace to make it do what it's supposed to do. And last but most certainly not least, we did get a baby hair brush. Now they upgraded their baby hair brush to be this one. On one end you have that rat tail, and then on this end you do have your brush and comb duo, which I feel like I can't do my baby hair with just the brush. I need the brush and comb. But also they did give us an additional brush head, that way you can switch out this brush head when it gets old and cakey, because you guys know when you've been using Got to Be Glued and all the hairspray plus the wax plus the this plus the edge control, it gets nice and cakey. So it's nice to have an extra brush head so it can last a really good while. But that is pretty much it, la bugs. You guys already know I'm going to dance. I'm actually ahead of schedule. It's only 2:40. I'm used to being done at like 3:30 when it's time to go, or I'm already late. So today is a nice little change. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.